Friday, YouTubers. Here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. I'm not sure who this is coming from, but we're about to find out. Their website link will be down below. And click on that if you like this item. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. I'm about to open it up and see what's inside. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. There we go. Now we got Prime Day coming up again. 2.0. Just in time for the holiday rush. We got good old Halloween coming up around the corner. Might want to start looking now. At least get some big items out of the way. And then maybe pick out a few stocking stuffers. But definitely check these guys out. But if it's Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate link. And also click on that. So either or, they are safe websites to look at. Also hit the like and subscribe button. Much appreciated. I could open this one up. And there we go. Oh baby. Oh boy. We got something here. It's Atezr. Oh, it's a laser engraver machine. Alright. These are hot new items that people are going crazy over on TikTok. So this is going to be a good one to get. This is like the metal plate when you put your object on it. Put that to a side. Get these manuals. Definitely going to need them. Because each one is a little bit different. So we shall see what this is like. And what it has inside. Oh baby. A lot of stuff to put together. Alright. Just be careful. Some items might be sharp. We got the power brick right here. This is a good old, oh wow, this is a big one. 3-prong. Got a big old one right here. Alright, put that on the ground. And we got some USB. We got the Allen wrenches. We got special like stuff you could practice on. They give little samples. And there's a USB that has a program. You're gonna run it. I'll show you guys how to do that too in this video. So it's gonna be a pretty decent size HDMI cords. This is for the machine. I'll show you about that in a second. And we got the USB for your computer or laptop. I'll show you how to run that. And oh boy, we got some pieces here. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys on pause because it might take a minute or two to come out. Alright guys, first off the bat, you get a pair of laser protective eyewear, which is really cool. I didn't see that in other ones that I saw unboxed. Oh, these are, it's like Call of Duty type. Definitely wear your eyewear when you're using these, and make sure you have like a fan, some good airflow. But we'll do this downstairs, the whole test run and everything. But right now, we're gonna unbox it up here, put it together up here, and then take it downstairs for the full test. And plus my computer's down there. Oh, I need to get a laptop. But here we go. Here is the laser. pretty powerful one. There we go. And here's the display that comes with it. That's where the HDMI cord, you plug it in here onto the machine. That's like near the end step to do. But I'll show you guys how to run that. It's really simple to run them. So definitely don't need to be an expert unless it comes to like the cutting part and stuff like that. But it takes a while to learn for that. We got some brackets here. And more brackets over here. So you get those. And you get this. I'm sorry about that. A little noisy. Kind of reminds me of like Metal Shop back in the day. Oh, I miss those days. Oops. These are nice design. I like the color and great metal. There's this. That's where you put the laser onto that. But that'll be also towards the end. So I mean, you get these guys. There's the front of it. This is where you plug the display. You can use your TF card there. Power, push button, stop, emergency stop button, on and off, reset key, TF, USB. Oh, here it is. HDMI, you run the display to that. You hook that up. So I think that's it. Oh, except for power, but the brick, we'll use that last. So I can put that on the ground. I think we just need the manual and the toolkit for now. Oh, it comes with one of these to dust off the laser work. So keep power. You're gonna need this bag right off the bat, so just make sure you got everything and nothing falls out. So, but everything is really nicely tucked together. Everything's good. Zip ties and some screws. And then, like I said, USB. You have some 3M sticky tape. You got a cloth. So, alright, guys, next it'll be put together. We shall be back. And here it is now, all installed. Just about to start plugging it in. Looking good. There's a display. Oops. Display is magnetic. So you just gotta go bada boom. And we got the power cord right there. Now all you gotta do, there's like a couple corners, you just gotta screw them in like these. And then there's the stand, top one right there. And if you have any help, there's QR codes on the manual to scan, and it'll show you how to do it also. We got the laser installed, got the glasses ready. And here's all the extra stuff we could use. And a plug, power. I want to take this downstairs and then we'll give it a test run. So really cool, easy to install. Like I said, I'm at the beginning stages of laser engraving, so this is my second machine and it's pretty easy to set up. Next we'll be hooking up to my desktop, or you can hook it up to your laptop. It's up to you. I gotta run the program, and that's about it. And then we'll get it set up in about. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it going. Got it all set up. I'm running this program right now. That's on the thumb drive that comes with it. It's doing its magic. Like I said, you might want to run a fan just because of the wood burning. and wear these sunglasses just in case. Right now you can see it's in the wood. Oh, I love that smell, burning wood. So we shall see its magic. And let me switch my... Yeah, see, it's still going down the line. But make sure also you have your plate down. And like I said, I'm running it off my desktop. Oh yeah, definitely the laser is working. You can see the smoke kinda. And the progress is almost done. Oops, sorry about that. And about, there we go. Should be done. Like I said, let it cool down for a few before you touch it, because it's going to be hot. Alright. Oof, definitely stinky. Alright, YouTubers, definitely check these guys out. Atezr for your laser engravings. So a lot of cool stuff they have. Besides this one, definitely check them out. And you can also use this display and then upload your designs onto this. But they got a couple pre-loaded ones already that you could use, and it's magnetic. So really cool stuff they got coming from Atezr. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. 2 seconds.